Hey guys, what's going on? I know it's been a while, but I'm coming back making more videos. Anyway, I'm in the Jeep, and believe it or not, I got the last piece that I kind of need to complete the Jeep. What it is there's a hole over here, right in here, and hopefully the video will show it. And what goes here is, they call it a, I have it right here. It's a, it's right here. It's a, they call this like a grocery hook. It's Mopar Part 1, R as in Robert, K as in Keith, 4, 3, D as in David, X as in X-ray, 9, A as in Apple, B as in boy. What it does is this goes in here, and it's supposed to be like, excuse me, they call it like a grocery bag hook, like you could put like a little trash bag or whatever. What a lot of guys I've seen online do is they leave these out, and they actually hook up a USB port or something, or another 12-volt port. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put this puppy in, and my Jeep would basically be back to where it was. So hopefully this just snaps right in. Little and let me see. And I guess I think it goes like this. And yeah, it goes like this. Okay. I thought it was like a thing like you can like pinch it. So I believe this just should snap. I believe this snaps right in. Yep, that's it. Snapped right in. There you go. It's a little, oh, there you go. You can pull it back a little. It's like, I guess you could put like a little grocery bag or a map or something. But there you go. There you go. And this was, I actually had this for a while and I never got a chance to put it on. I believe this was like, oh my god, I think this was like between 10 and 15 bucks with the eBay. But anyway, no more hole. So that's done. Like I said, when I bought the Jeep last year, from before the pandemic, I bought this in February, there was a couple of things missing. This was missing, the rear load lid was missing, the tray was missing, the tools were missing. So over time I got all these pieces. So now the Jeep is basically has all its pieces now. So okay, so that's the little grocery hook there. So that's good for that. Alright, thank you for watching. I have a couple more videos coming out. Another one I'm coming out soon with is, keep an eye out, making my own little table. Do it yourself, like a little table. It's like 30 inches by 18 inches. It's going to be like a little workbench. And I'm going to go over everything with that. And it's a DIY project. So that's coming soon. So once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.